Prayer has been a part of human culture for centuries, serving as a means to communicate with a higher power and seek guidance, solace, and strength. While the concept of prayer may seem simple, the Bible reveals its profound significance, offering timeless wisdom and guidance to those who seek it. In this article, we will delve into the power of prayer as illuminated by the teachings of the Bible, unearthing its transformative potential and exploring the journey towards unlocking its true power. Discovering the profound significance of prayer. Prayer holds a deep significance in the Bible, serving as a powerful tool for believers to establish a connection with God. It is more than just a routine or a religious obligation, it is a heartfelt conversation with the Creator. The Bible teaches us that prayer allows us to pour out our souls, express our deepest concerns, and seek comfort in times of distress. It is a means to find solace, guidance, and strength amidst the trials and tribulations of life. Furthermore, the Bible reveals that prayer is not simply a one-sided communication but a dialogue with God. It is an opportunity for believers to listen to His voice and receive divine insights and guidance. Through prayer, we can align our hearts and minds with God's will, allowing His wisdom to shape our thoughts, decisions, and actions. The profound significance of prayer lies in its ability to foster a deep and intimate relationship with God, transforming our lives from within. Unearthing the timeless wisdom in biblical teachings. The Bible is replete with teachings and stories that illustrate the transformative power of prayer. From the persistent prayers of Abraham and Moses to the heartfelt pleas of King David, we see how prayer has the ability to move the heart of God and bring about miraculous interventions. The Scriptures provide us with a rich tapestry of examples, demonstrating the power of prayer in overcoming adversity, finding guidance, and experiencing spiritual growth. Moreover, the Bible offers timeless wisdom on the various aspects of prayer. It teaches us the importance of faith, humility, and persistence in our prayers. It reminds us to be thankful and to trust that God hears and answers our prayers according to His perfect will. The Bible also emphasizes the need for sincerity and authenticity in our prayers, encouraging us to approach God with open hearts and genuine intentions. By unearthing these teachings, we can gain a deeper understanding of the power of prayer and apply them to our own lives. A journey towards unlocking the transformative potential. Embarking on a journey to unlock the transformative potential of prayer requires dedication, patience, and an open heart. The Bible encourages believers to cultivate a consistent and fervent prayer life, making prayer an integral part of their daily routine. It invites us to seek solitude and create a sacred space where we can commune with God without distractions. By investing time and effort into developing a relationship with God through prayer, we can tap into the transformative power that lies within. Additionally, prayer is not limited to personal needs and desires, but extends to intercession for others and seeking God's will for the world. The Bible teaches us to pray for one another, to lift up our communities, and to intercede for those in need. In doing so, we become agents of change, participating in God's redemptive work in the world. The power of prayer unveiled. As we explore the profound significance of prayer through the insights provided by the Bible, we discover a transformative power that goes beyond our human understanding. Prayer, when approached with sincerity and faith, has the ability to shape our lives, strengthen our relationship with God, and bring about miraculous changes. By unearthing the timeless wisdom in biblical teachings and embarking on a journey towards unlocking its transformative potential, we can experience the true power of prayer in our lives. Let us embrace this powerful tool and witness the wonders it can bring.